Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't troubleshoot the wrong layer. First, confirm your OS and any multi-monitor or scaling settings. This changes how the toolbar behaves. Once done, inspect whether it's hidden or locked. Right-click or long-press the bottom area and open taskbar or dock settings. Make sure auto-hide is disabled for now, and unlock the bar if locked. This lets you move and reset it without fighting the system. These steps prevent wasted work later. Next, you perform the middle, more technical steps to restore the toolbar. Go into System Settings to change position, icon size, and auto-hide. This is where you usually fix offset or off-screen issues. If the bar won't respond, restart Explorer. EXE on Windows, or relaunch the dock/Windows server process on macOS because that clears session glitches. Once restarted, reposition the bar and test with multiple apps open so you confirm the fix under normal load. Don't skip incremental testing. Finally, you wrap up with restorative actions and a single troubleshooting tip. If the toolbar returned but behaves oddly after an update, install pending patches or roll back recent display drivers. Driver conflicts often misplace UI elements. If problems persist, create a new user profile to check for configuration corruption, and migrate settings only after verification. If all else fails, perform a system restore or clean reinstall, but make sure you back up data first. That avoids data loss and preserves your custom settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.